Snow blizzard coming, and this is how the fruit section is handling it. Everything gone except the red peppers. Bread was the first to leave. No warning, no goodbye. Fruit section mostly gone. What's left? Strawberries, cherries, dragon fruit, and a few red apples. And whatever was here, we needed it. This shelf was something important. Potatoes are almost gone, which tells me people have a plan. The meat section is inconsistent. Some of it prepared, some of it gave up. However, ground turkey and wings are still standing. Not popular, just dependable. And the water is mostly here, which tells me we haven't fully panicked yet.